And just happy birthday, Becky.
Okay, then.
Thank you, lovely. Thank you.
They're lovely.
Okay,
And we're going to treasure
Come on,
them.
Mel, please, to this address. It is.
Can you send us some money, please?
E32NN. Okay, have I got time to show him something?
No coins. No.
I haven't got time for your surprise.
What?
I'll have to do it tomorrow.
Oh, no.
Do you want me to do it now?
What is it?
It's just freshly hatched Zag.
It's so cool.
Do you like that? Do you like that? Okay.
I love him. I love him.
Okay, now look, we've got to get on now. We've got to get on. So what's the question about the clip?
The question about the clip is, what do the objects make?
Better make than him.
What an extraordinary lot of objects. Well, the only thing to do is to carry them below and try to fit them together again.
How far underground does a tube go? How does an orange peel when it has a crispy shell? Is this the Red Sea, or am I just seeing red?
Only smarties have the answer.
Bird's Eye Menu Master Cod Mornay. With a crunchy cheddar cheese topping.
Yes, Martin, it's a tracksuit.
I can see that, Dad, but what's it doing on you?
It's part of my new healthier lifestyle. First step, Kellogg's Bran Flakes.
Kellogg's Bran Flakes?
Yeah, they're high in fibre, low in fat.
They taste great. So this new lifestyle of yours means that as well as eating Kellogg's Bran Flakes, you'll be jogging to the newsagents every day?
Yep. Whew, one step at a time, Martin.
Kellogg's Bran Flakes, a step in the right direction.
I wonder what it is. It looks like a sort of chicken. How very peculiar. It's an iron chicken.
Big breakfast here, back in the garden, outside live. It's a bit cloudy, it's a bit gloomy, and apparently it's summertime. I've got my phone here, my bandage phone, ready to play the game. But first of all, the question about that clip was, what did the objects make? And an iron chicken was the answer. And that was from the Clangers. The Clangers is out on video next week, $8.99. It's fantastic, and I wish we had it on this show. Okay, coming up now, we're going to try and get you to win this camera. Another shot of Rob there, with a secret film inside it. Hello, who's on line one?
Hello, it's Tracy from Oxford.
How are you, Tracy?
Fine, thanks.
Thank you very much indeed. And here's clue number one from Andrew, from the Family of the Week. It's an Oscar. It's an Oscar. It's not somebody who's won an Oscar, though. Just a bit of a clue for you there.
Don't know.
You don't know?
No.
No? Do you want to guess? An actor?
Don't know.
Okay, then all right. Well, thanks for coming on anyway. Bit of an anticlimax. Hello, line two.
Hiya, it's Martin from Buxton.
Hiya, Mark. Is it Martin or Mark?
Martin.
Oh, sorry, Martin. Hello. Love your water. Okay, then. So we got clue number two from Kathy, and it's a script, but it's the wrong. It's supposed to be a film script. Never mind. Okay, then. It's not your fault, Kath. Okay, so it's a film script and an Oscar. So who do you think it is?
Al Pacino.
Good guess, but it was Al Pacino yesterday, so you weren't watching yesterday, but thanks. It's nice to have a new viewer. Hello, line three.
Hello.
Who's that?
Jane.
Where are you from, Jane? Where?
Worthing.
Okay, nice to have you. Jennifer, what have you got here? Oh, it's an extra strong packet of mints. Extra strong. Extra strong.
Clint Eastwood.
Oh. No, hello, who's on line four?
Hello.
Hello, who's that?
Ernie from the Isle of Wight.
Okay, Ernie, nice to talk to you. All right, then. Well, the crew just mouthing weak jokes and thinking, no, we better not, it's not very funny. Okay, Adam, what have you got? Clue number four. And they were right, it wasn't funny at all. So we've got an Oscar, a film script, a packet of extra strong mints, and the answer is?
Don't know, Arnold Schwarzenegger?
No, thank you and goodbye. Hello, who's on line five?
It's Wendy from Swindon.
Okay, and here's your final clue. You've got all five clues now. It's a map, and arrowed out in the map is Washington. The answer is?
It's Denzel Washington.
It is Denzel Washington! Fantastic. You and the secret camera and the secret film. I gotta go back inside now and meet Krishnan Guru Murthy, that's all.
We're back!
Yeah!
And we've got Krishnan from Newsround!
Wow!
He's right here! He's going to be here helping review some video games. First of all, Krishnan, I think, Club Secretary, if you wouldn't mind, filling in Krishnan in case you would like to join the Zag is Cool and I Agree fan club.
Oh yes, we'd hope that you'd like to subscribe to the fan club. It's Zag is Cool and we love him.
What kind of things do you get for the fan club? Is it like a
well, what you do is you just send us money.
$57.95.
And we'll
Right.
probably
And you
get
keep it.
back to you
You
within
keep it.
28 days.
28
if
days
not, you
delivery.
can give me a special phone number that you can ring.
Oh, hi, Chris. I've already talked about anything.
If you two carry on like that, you're going to be on Watchdog soon.
Or we'll get Esther Ransom as
Yeah,
well.
they're going to
what's that? Is that the animal program?
How are you?
Hi.
Krishnan Guru Murthy.
That's right.
Not Murphy, Murthy.
Murphy, yeah.
Guru Murthy, is that double barrel name?
It's not originally, but it was double-barreled to make things easier for the indigenous population here.
He's a bit...
I think there's a little bit of showbiz
No, my dad
kind
did
of
that 20
thing
years ago when he
creeping in
came to
there.
England.
Okay, fair enough. All right then. We're not going to contest that issue. Okay, we have 3 questions.
Neither am
for you.
I.
Fair enough. And then we're going to do some video games, so we'll make these lessons as long as possible, then we don't have to do the video games.
And quick,
No, because you don't like...
Well, I hate video games.
We all hate video games.
Yeah, we all hate
No,
it.
unfortunately,
especially because
there are
it's a
no
great
allies
club.
in the back
Everyone
room for you
loves
today.
it. We get lots of letters. Lots of letters in saying that.
Question number 1 to
Question
Krishnan.
number 1. Your talent was spotted when you were 18 and you were asking some rather awkward questions on TV's dating show. What were those awkward questions?
We did.
I think I probably asked Ian McGregor something about the miners, but that's all I can remember.
Oh, that's not very awkward, is it? Ian, tell us something about the miners.
That's right, it was
about
something
that
like
then.
that. No, it was something like, why did you close the pit? Which was pretty aggressive. It was pretty direct.
You were only 18 at the time, were you nervous? Were you nervous?
Well, I'd done a couple before, but yeah, I was pretty nervous.
Did you think, I've got to make my mark here, I've got to ask you an awkward question?
Well, I mean, we were sort of primed to be aggressive.
He's good, isn't he? He's good.
He's good a lot.
He's good.
He uses words like prime and contention.
He is a big guy. He's going to be like K80.
K80.
Okay then. Here we have question number 2. As well as Newsround, you have also appeared on Reportage.
That's right.
And Songs of Praise.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
Therefore, this question is, what is your favourite hymn and can you sing a verse of it now, please?
Oh, my favourite hymn is O come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, O come ye to Bethlehem.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come and behold him, for the King of England.
Happy Christmas to you all right now. And remember, there are only several hundred shopping days to Christmas. Final question. This is a goodie. I like this one.
In our research, it says that although you are busy, you claim, and I quote, you're about as active as a hedgehog. But how do you know how hectic a hedgehog's life is?
Well, I keep hedgehogs as my hobby, and I have 337. And did you know that there are several different species of hedgehogs?
Wow!
And they were originally discovered in this country around 997.
Can I get a pen? Somebody got a pen and paper?
He's good, but he still can't get away with this one. This is too big a porky.
I'm not a sporty person. I mean, and that's what the answer to that question was. Are you a sporty person? I said, no, I'm as active as a hedgehog.
But how can you qualify that if you don't know how active a hedgehog is?
Well, it was just guesswork. Okay, I'm sorry. It was guesswork in an interview.
I think it was a careless remark, actually.
If a hedgehog watching
It was careless and unresearched, and I repent. I take it back. I'm sorry I ever said it, and I apologise to any hedgehogs who might be watching.
Very well then,
yeah.
Because this is taking a long time, and we're not going to have time for the video game.
And now we'll move swiftly along to the 3 video games.
Oh, yes.
So the first one we're going to review is called Steel Talons.
Here it
Let's
comes.
take a look. You can take control of an Apache AH-64 helicopter flying over simulated landscapes, ranging from the barren deserts to snow-capped mountain peaks. Your weapons are state-of-the-art missiles and rockets as used by the United States Air Force, all of which you will need to blow up enemy planes, jeeps, and tanks.
What do you hope to go on to do?
Out of
What, in
the
my
Mega
future?
Drive,
Yeah.
39.99.
I suppose I have pretensions towards being a serious
Well, I
journalist,
thought
so
it
that's
was
what I
rather
like
good
doing,
actually
yeah.
myself.
And,
I'll move along now to
Who are your heroes?
Bang on the Super Nintendo.
David Dimbleby.
This game is a good old-fashioned
Michael
puzzle
Ashton, right.
entertainment with a strong arcade.
I'm a big fan of my good
You
friend John
travel the
Nicholson.
world
Breakfast
performing
is
new
good.
challenges in each
I'm probably
country.
going to
The challenge involves
coat
breaking
hanger
up
shop,
bouncing balls.
specialised in
And
coat
with
hangers
an
from around the
arrow
world.
that
what you
leads
do
far
when
to
you go
the
out?
end.
And there'll be, you know, I'll probably have a collector's shelf. Sorry?
How old are you?
Well, it doesn't go by age, it goes by height.
You carry on
And
breaking
so
the
how high
balls
are you? And
until
how
Well,
old
this
does that
high.
make you?
But last year I was
Are you
only
an
this
adult?
high.
No, it's not bad.
Last year I was only this high.
It gets a bit
Next
boring
year I'll
as you
probably
play.
be this high.
And finally, we're going to have a
Jeremy
look at
Paxman.
Muhammad
Jeremy
Ali.
Paxman,
heavyweight boxer.
I'm a big
Now,
fan of,
this is
and I always liked him.
Muhammad Ali was arguably the best
Have you met
boxer in
him?
the world.
I have met him, yes. In fact, he was kind enough to come and present some news round Wolf a while ago. And,
Is he a nice bloke?
he is a nice bloke. He's not quite as aggressive as everybody
He's coming to my birthday party
he's a
next
nice
week.
bloke.
Isn't he a bit of a hard act to follow though? Because, you know, he's sort of made his mark now, hasn't he?
Well, I mean, I think people sort of made their mark over a period of years, and hopefully by the time I'm coming up, hoping to do programs like these,
where the first
Paxman
to
will be
score a knockout
a
is
myth
the
from the
winner.
past.
A myth?
Or playing the tournament.
No, surely a
where
legend.
You can
Well, you know.
Okay, then. But you know, there was Frost, Dimbleby,
the heavyweight
Paxman.
champion
Will
of
it be
the world.
Guru Murphy.
And that
Okay,
is
coming up.
out
Yeah, but I don't think I'll
on
have a show that
the-
says Guru Murphy on the title sequence.
No, well, just GM.
Very good.
Something like that, or Chris.
Well, for heaven's sake, not GM
I'd
TV.
like to thank Chris
That'd be
for coming
terrible.
in and giving me a hand reviewing those games. Thank
Have you finished? Oh, right, good. Yeah. Okay, so that was great as well. Thank you very much.
very good.
Thank you very much for coming in. Okay. It's been gorgeous to talk to you. Are you all right?
Yeah, the heavyweight boxing one was quite good.
Was it? Okay.
It was a bit of a Paxman, that one, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. See, we were going to mark them in newsreader terms,
That's
weren't
right,
we?
yeah.
Okay, so had the video been mediocre, you would have given it...
Well, no, I mean, I wouldn't like to sort of mark it in those terms, but, you know, the helicopter one, I thought it was intellectual, but wasn't really quite
You
sure.
weren't even watching
Bit
it.
of a Jonathan Dimbleby.
Okay.
You know?
You weren't even watching it.
Okay, well, we got to go now, but it's lovely to talk to you.
Okay.
And thanks for coming in.
Chris.
Come again. And maybe when Peter Smith goes off one week, maybe you could read the news for us.
Well, sure, certainly.
If your contract allows.
Well, if it
All right, then. This is the Big Breakfast on Channel 4, and that was Krishnan, Guru, Bye.
The fantastically fashionable
Big
and stylish
Big Breakfast.
7:36.